Umkhonto weSizwe Party Youth League has come under scrutiny after unveiling a newly built house for a struggling family in the Utukela region. The initiative, aimed at providing shelter to a family whose previous home had collapsed, was accompanied by donations of a bed and food supplies. However, instead of widespread praise, the project has sparked heated debate over the quality of the structure and its suitability. Social media users were quick to criticize the one-room house, with many arguing that as the official opposition party, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party could have done much better. Some likened the modest structure to a chicken coop or even an outdoor toilet, questioning whether this was the level of assistance voters had expected from the party. One user wrote, "Umkhonto weSizwe Party mediocrity at best, but congratulations to them is better than nothing." Another one said, "Even the poorly built ANC RDP houses are better than this nonsense." Despite the backlash, others defended the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Youth League's efforts, emphasizing that the house was likely built from their own personal contributions rather than official party funds. One supporter commented, "This is not from the organization, I can bet. It's from their pockets, from their hearts as Ubuntu. The owners of the house are very happy and God will bless them." The EFF leader Julius Malema weighed in on the controversy without directly commenting, but made his stance very clear through social media repost. He shared an image of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party built house alongside the caption, "The Umkhonto weSizwe Party is disrespecting the poor." In another post, Malema compared the structure to a house built by the EFF, stating, "The EFF South Africa is the true leader of society and it respects the people." The debate highlights a broader conversation about the role of political parties in addressing poverty and whether goodwill initiatives should be judged by their scale or their intent. While the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Youth League's effort was meant to uplift a struggling family, the backlash suggests that the public expects more substantial and dignified interventions from a party positioning itself as a force for change. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.